Good morning, students. In last class, we are learning about the rational numbers, how to identify on the number line. So today we are going to one decimal number convert to how to convert rational number, and one rational number how to convert a decimal number. So here our topic, convert decimal number to a rational number. We know decimal numbers. Here see, like a whole numbers and point numbers, we are called a decimal number. Here 15.75. 15 is a whole number, 75 is a decimal number. This is a decimal point. So this is a decimal point. Decimal point, whole number, decimal number. Now clear? So point right side decimal number, point left side whole number. So this is called a decimal point. So 15.75. How to convert a rational number? So here see, 15.75 cross out 100 by 100. Here numerator denominator equal number, that value always 1. Numerator here 100, denominator here 100. So both one, value 1. So 15.75 cross out 1 like a roll of 1. So it's self number, their product. Here see, why you are asking, sir, why we are multiplying with 100? Why you don't take 10? Why you don't take 100? Why you don't take 1000? So here 75. Here point after how many digits? 2 digits. So here we are multiply with 100. So for example here point after only one number. So you are multiply with 10. So here 7500. So 15.75 cross out 100 by 100. Here 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 2 zeros. Multiplication 100. Here point after how many numbers? 1, 2 numbers. So here 2. Point after zeros, no value. So 1575 by 100. So this is a rational number. 1575 by 100 is one of the rational number. Next one, 0.35. So here point after 2 numbers. So 0.35 cross out 100 by 100. 100 into 100 by 100. So 0.35 cross out 100 by 100. So here 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3 0, both 2 zeros. So here point after two numbers by 100. So 35 by 100. 5 20s are 5 7s are 7 by 20. That is a rational number. Now clear? Copy this one. Next one. Converting non-terminating recurring decimal into rational number. Converting non-terminating recurring decimal to rational number. Here a recurring decimal means a decimal number repeat, that is recurring decimal. See here 10 divided by 3 division, 3 3s are 9. So here 1, keep a point 0. 3 3s are 9. 1, already a point is 0. 3 3s are 9. 1, already a point is 0. 3 3s are 9. 1, already a point is 0. 3 3s are 9. 1, already a point is 0. 3 3s are 9. Here see, this is a whole number, decimal number repeating. So that repeating numbers we are called recurring decimal. Now here see one problem. So here decimal number, one number repeating. So this one how to write? 3.3 bar. So this bar means, so this number only repeating. So for 3.12 bar, this means 1 2 repeating, 1 2 1 2 1 2. That like 4 5 6, 3.456. This means 3.456 456 456 456 456. So this like this is a repeating. So here 3.3. So here clear one point. Here bar, how many numbers I have bar? One number. So this is a bar, we are called periodicity. Periodicity of this number 1. Here periodicity of this number 2. Here periodicity of this number 3. So bar how many numbers I have? That is a periodicity of that numbers. So here one example is 0.4 bar. This is convert the rational number. This is non-terminating recurring decimal. This one convert the rational numbers. You know what is a rational number? When the number we form P by Q that numbers we are called rational numbers. P and Q are integers, must and should Q not equal to 0. So here 0.4 bar. So let x equal to 0.4 bar. So x equal to 0.4444 and so on. Now clear? So you write so many 4s. You write 3 or 4 or 5, 6, your wish. So like this is equation 1 or part 1. Now see equation 1. Multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. Why we are multiply with 10? Less 0.4. We are convert the whole numbers. So 4 10s are 40. 4 0 10 0s are 0. Here point after one number. So here point after one number. What this number? 4. So here this is convert to the whole number. So here point after one decimal. So we are multiply with 10. Point after two decimals. We are multiply with 100. Point after three decimals. We are multiply with 1000. So here 10 into x 0.4444 and so on 10. Here see multiply with 10 both sides. 10 into x 10x. See now 4.444 bar. Why? Here see 4 cross out 10. 4 10s are 40. 4 10s are 40 44. 4 10s are 40 44. 4 10s are 40 44. 4 zeros are 0 plus 4. So here point after 4 numbers. Point after 4 numbers. That is. So 4.444. So why now? Like this is equation 2. Clear? So from equation 1 subtract equation 2. So 10x equal to 4.4444. X equal to 0.444. Subtraction 10x minus x 9x 0 0 0 0.4. Point after 0 no value. For 9x equal to 4. X equal to 4 by 9. X equal to 4 by 9. So what is the x value? 4 by 9. So here like a 4 by 9 value how much? 0.4 bar. So 0.4 bar rational form 4 by 9. Copy this one. Next, another example. 0.54 bar. So here let x equal to 0.54 bar. I said before only, what this one bar has, how many numbers have bar, that is periodicity. So here periodicity of this number 2 1 2. So both sides we are multiply with 100. Why? Periodicity is 2. So 100 into x. So here x equal to 0.5454. So 100x equal to 0.5454 into x. So 100x equal to, here two numbers moving this side, 54.54. So this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Clear? See, you are multiply this one 5.4. Why? Here 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So point after 6 numbers remain. These 2 zeros here add. Total point after 8. So here already 6. These 2 here add 54.545455. So this is a equation 1. This is a equation 2. So from equation 1 subtract equation 2. So here equation 2, 100x equal to 54.545454. X equal to 0.545455. 99x equal to 54.000000. So here zeros no value point after. So x equal to 54/99. So here 54/99 is equal to, this is a rational number. This rational number convert to the decimal number 0.54 coming. Copy this one. Next one, last one, example problem. So 4.7 bar, third one. So let x equal to 4.7 bar. X equal to 4.777 and equation 1. So here periodicity how many? 1. So we are multiply with 10. Here periodicity of decimal. Here periodicity of decimal. How many decimals? Only one decimal. So both side equation 1, both side we are multiply. Both side we are multiply with 10. So equation 10 into x 4.7777 into 10. So 10x equal to, so here 47777. Why here point after 5 digits? So here point after 4 only. Another digit is 0 coming. So here this is equation 2. From equation 1 subtracted from equation 2. So equation 2, 10x is equal to 47.777. Here see, here 0 no value. So equation 1 4.7777. 9x is equal to 43.0. X equal to 43 by 9. So here 43 by 9 is equal to 44.7 bar. That is, so 4.7 bar rational number 43 by 9. Next one. As these problems, dislike a problem, another alternative model. Here see, another method. Here 4.7 bar. How to write this one? Expanding form. 4 plus 0.7 bar. So 4 plus mass, here see 0.1 bar means 1 by 9. Okay. 0.2 bar means 2 by 9. 0.3 bar means 3 by 9. Next, 0.4 bar means 4 by 9. So 0.7 bar means 7 by 9. So what this value? 7 by 9. So here denominator is 1. 4 7 jar 9, 4 jar 36, 9 1 jar 9 plus 1 7 jar 7, 1 9 jar 9. So here denominators are equal, numerators add 36 plus 7 by 9, 43 by 9. That like you try or this like you try, your wish. So next we are going to exercise first problem 1.3. So in this lesson, last exercise this is. I will give some problems homework. So express each of the following decimal in the P by Q. So just decimal in the P by Q form they are asking. So first problem 0.57. So here already starting 0.57 decimal after two numbers. So we are multiply with 100 both side. So 57.0 by 100. So 57 by 100. Here P is a 57, Q is a 100. Next one 0.176. 0.176. Here point after how many numbers? Here point after how many numbers? 3 numbers. So 176 cross out 1000 by 1000. Why? Here point after 3 numbers. So here 176.000 by 1000. 176 by 1000 cancellation. 4 ones are 4 nines are. So 4 fours are 16. 4 nines are next one. 4 250s are 49 by 250. Next one 1.0001. So here 1.0001. Here point after how many numbers? 4 numbers. 4 decimal points. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000. So 10,001.0000 by 10,000. So here 10,001 by 10,000. Next one 25.125. Here 25.125. Here point after how many numbers? 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal points. So here 1000 we are 1000. So 25,125.00 by 1000. So here 25,125 by 1000. Cancellation. Here 125 8 jar. So 125 2s are 125 1s are. So 125 8 jar. 125 2s are 0 0 1. 125 ones are. So 2001 by that is 8. Copy this one. Here next one. Express each of the following decimals in the form. Here see. I check here confused. 125 ones are 2s are 250. So 1 2 0. So 5. Sorry here. 201 only. So 201. 125 are 25,125. Cross out to 8. Next one. Express each of the following decimals in the rational form. So here first one 0.9 bar. Like this is a non-terminating recurring decimal, convert to rational form. So here let x equal to 0.9 bar. So x equal to 0.9999. So this is equation 1. So here periodicity of decimal, how much given? Decimal periodicity bar, how many numbers I have? 1 number. So here periodicity of decimal is 1. So both side we are multiply with 10. So now 10 into x 0.9999 cross out x. So 10 into x 9.9990. So this is equation 2. You are multiply with 10, this number coming. So now from equation 1 subtract from equation 2. So here 10x is equal to 9.9999, x equal to 0.9999. Subtraction 9x equal to 9.0. So x equal to 9 by 9, 1. So here 1 equal to 0.9 bar. Next one, right. Zero point 57. So as is these all problems dislike only. As is no change. 0.57 bar. So here let x equal to 0.57 bar. Let x equal to 0.57 bar. So x equal to 0. Bar means repeating decimals. So 57, 57, 57, 57. This is equation 1. Here periodicity of decimal. Decimal, how many decimal number has bar? 2 numbers. So here periodicity of decimal is 2. Here periodicity of decimal is 2. So both sides we are multiply both sides we are multiply with 100. Here see, periodicity is 2, both sides we are multiply with 100. Here periodicity is 1, both sides we are multiply with 10. Periodicity of 3, both sides we are multiply with 1000. So here 100 into x 0.57 cross out x. 100x equal to 57.57 two zeros. So zeros has no value. This is equation 2. So from equation 1 subtract equation 2. From equation 1 subtract equation 2. 100x equal to 57.57 x equal to 0.57. Here subtract 100x minus x 99x is equal to 57.000. X equal to 57 by 99. X equal to 57 by 99. So here 57 by 99 decimal form 0.571. Now clear? So remaining two problems are homework. Next one. See, sometimes cancellation also possible. You try. Like here cancellation. No. Here cancellation is possible. 57. 399. 333 jar. 319 jar. So 19 by 33 coming. So 319 jar. 333 jar. So 19 by 33 is equal to 0.57 bar. Or this is also right answer. Next one, third one. So in this second problem, sub problem third and fourth are homework. Third, fourth are homework. Next, third problem, find x plus y divided by x minus y. Here, find x plus y divided by x minus y. So here, what is the x value? X equal to 5 by 2, y equal to minus 3 by 4. So here see x plus y, how to write? 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. So 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Plus into minus. So denominators are equal, not equal. We are convert the equal. In this case, cross multiplication. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So denominators are equal, numerators plus symbol given add, minus symbol given subtract. 20 minus 6 by 8, 14 by 8, 2 4s are 2, 7s are 7 by 4. Now x minus y value, x minus y, x 5 by 2 minus y minus 3 by 4. So minus into minus plus, 5 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 4. As these denominators are different, we are convert equal. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 20 plus 6 by 8, 26 by 8. 3 13, 2 13s are 2 4s are. So 13 by 4. So here x plus y value we know, x minus y value we know. So division, x plus y divided by x minus y is equal to 7 by 4 divided by 13 by 4. How to write 7 by 4? Here division symbol given. These division symbol you convert to cross out. So this is reciprocal writing, 4 by 13. So 4 4 cancel, 7 1s are 7, 13 1s are 13. 7 by 13. Next one. So 1 by 4 and 3 by 2. So here x value given 1 by 4, y value given 3 by 2. So x plus y 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 2. So here 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12 by 8. So 14 by 8. 7 1s are 7 2s are 4 2s are 7 by 4. Next x minus y 1 minus 4, 3 by 2. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12 by 4 2s are 8. So minus 10 by 8. So here 2 5s are 2 4s are minus 5 by 4. So x plus y divided by x minus 1. X plus y value 7 by 4 divided by x minus y value minus 5 by 4. So 7 by 4, here cross out division symbol. These division symbol convert the cross out. This reciprocal we are writing. Reciprocal reverse, numerators comes to denominator, denominator comes to numerator. So minus 4 by 5, minus 4, 4 4 cancel, minus 7 by 5. Next one, divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 5 by product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Here fourth one, sum of Sum of rational numbers. Sum of rational numbers. Two rational numbers we are added. Minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Here denominators are different. We are convert equal. So cross multiplication. 7 13s are 91 plus 5 12s are 60 by 5 7s are 35. Understand? 13s are 91 plus 5 12s are 60, 7 5s are 35. So here 31 by 35. 91 minus 60, 31. So here large number 91 has a minus sign, so minus sign. Next, the product of rational numbers. The product of rational number. So minus 13 by 7 minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus 13 1s are 13, 7 2s are 14. So multiplication, numerators multiply, denominators multiply. So 13 by 14. Here division, divide of sum of two rational numbers and product of rational number. So minus 31 by 35 divided by 13 by 14. So sum of the two rational number minus 31 by 35 divided by sum of product of two rational number 13 by 14. So minus 31 by 35, here division symbol convert to cross up, a reciprocal right. So 7 5s are 7 2s are 31 2s are minus 62, 35 5s is 65. Copy this one. Next one. Two pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meters and 3 by 10 meters cut off from rope of 11 meters long. What is the length of remaining rope? So here sixth one, see, this is a asking 11 meters rope amma. Clear? So these rope 2 times cut. First one, this one cut how much? 3, 7 2 by 3, 2 3 by 5. This length. Next one, another this length we cut. That length 3 by 10. So what is this length? The remaining length asking. How do we do? These two are added. These sum subtract from this one, we will get this answer. So here Sixth one, total length of rope. How much? 11 meters long. Clear? Total length of the rope 11 meters. So one piece length of rope 2 3 by 5. So this is a mixed fraction. This one we are convert to improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 by 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 3. Next one. Another piece length of rope. What is 3 by 10. 3 by 10. So 10 3s are 30 plus 3 33 by 10. So these sum of the two pieces. Sum of the two pieces. So 13 by 5 plus 33 by 10. So here denominators are different. 5 10 13 are 130 plus 5 33 are 165 by 10. So total 295 by 10. So how to coming this one? 29 5 by 10. So here 5 1s are 5 2s are. So 29 5 by 10 meters. So these two this is a long. So here subtract from these 11 total length. So remaining rope length. This rope length remaining. So 11 minus these two we are adding how much? 11 minus 295 by 10. So 110 minus 295 by 10. Here wait to that is 5 3 is 50 here. 50 5 times are 50. Why here see 5 times are 50. 50. So here 50. So 5 times are 50. 5 11 are 55 by 50. So how much? 550 minus 295 5 and 255 by 50. So 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 10s are. So 51 by 10. This one how to come in 5 1 by 10 meters. Convert to the mixed fraction. 5 10s are 51. So 1 by 10 meters. Here see 550 minus 295 division. 5 5s are 5 1s are. So here 5 10s are 50 1 by 10, 5 1 by 10 meters. Next one, here sixth one. Oh, this is the sixth one. Fifth problem. If 2 by 5 of a number exceed 1 by 7 of that number is 36, find that number. Exceed means extend. So here 2 by 5 of a number. Fifth one. See, let a number x, one number we don't know that number, so x, of these number 2 by 5, so 2 by 5 of x, so 2x by 5. So these one we are exceed how much? 1 by 7, the same number by 36. So here 2x by 5 is equal to exceed 1 by 7 plus 36. So now this one we are moving this side. 2x plus 5 minus 1 by 7 is equal to 36. 7 2s are 14x. 5 1s are 5 by 7 5s are 35 into 36. So here 35 moving this side. 14x minus 5 is equal to 35, cross out 36. Now here 14x 35 cross out 36 plus 5. 14x equal to 35 cross out to 36. 35 5s are how much? 1225 plus 30, 1260, 65. So x equal to 1265 by 40. So now cancellation. 14. 7s are we check. 7 5 10. So here 116 not coming. X value 14 1265. 14 9 jar 126. So here 0. 9 5 by 14. That number x equal to here 0 90. Exceed of that number is x here. So here x, here 5x. So here 9x. There is no x. So here 9. So 9 1 9 40 is 140. Here x equal to 140. Here see, let a number x 2 by 5 of a number is 2x by 5. So of this number, a number exceed 1 by 7 is equal to 36. So here x by 7 plus 36. So this one moving this side minus below remaining. So next one, find the area of the rectangular park, length given and breadth given. So we know length and we know breadth. So what is the area? What is the area? Here seventh one. Now find the cost of 7 2 by meters cloth 12 3 by 4 rupees. Find the 1 meter cost. So division. Here given division. Seventh one. Total cloth. Length of the total cloth. How much given? 7 2 by 3. This is total length cloth. 7 meters 2 by 3 meters. So here 7 3 are 21, 23 by 3 meters. Next 23 by 3 meters cloth cost. How much? 12 3 by 4. 12 fours are 40, 48 plus 3 51 by 4 rupees. So 1 meter cloth cost. How much? So 23 by 3 divided by 51 by 4. So here 23 by 4 3. Like this is cross multiply. Change the cross out symbol. So this reciprocal 4 by 51. 4 3s are 12, 132 by. So 155, 3 5s are 50, 153. Both are C3 table. 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 92, 153. So which table coming this one? 1 piece cloth. That is only. Yes. So here division 153 92 92 1 jar 92. So here 1, here 14.0 92 4s are 9 4s are 36 668. Here 2, we take 1, here 4 42. So 1.4. So here see, here 92 by 53, like as is, here we are reverse right. So here 1 meter cloth cost 153 by 92, 1.4 rupees, right. Next one, eighth one. Find the area of the rectangular park which is 18 3 by 5 long and broad 2 by 3. Area they are asking. Length of the rectangular park. How much? 18 3 by 5 meters long. So 93 by 5 meters. Next, broad of the rectangular park. How much? Here 8 2 by 3. So 26 by 3 meters. So area of rectangular park is equal to L into B. Length we know, breadth we know. 93 by 5 cross out 26 by 3. So 3 1 jar 3, 31 jar 26 1 jar 26, 26 3s are 78, 78 80 by 5. So area 5 1 jar or 16, 161 1 by 5 meter square area. That is a division. Next one, what number should minus 33 by 16 divided by 2 get? Ninth one, given rational number what that is? minus 33 by 16. So these number divided by one number we don't know. So we get to 11 by 4. So divided by rational number x. So here minus 33 divided by 16 x equal to minus 11 by 4. So minus 33 by 16 divided by one rational number, we get to 11 by 4. So here minus 33 by 16 cross out. So reciprocal 1 by x equal to 11 by 4. X moving this side. How much? Here minus 30. Here see minus 36 by 16. X moving this side. 11 by 4 cross out x. So these one moving this side. Minus 33 by 16 cross out. 4 by 11 is equal to x. 11 1s are 11 3s are. 4 1s are 4 4s are. So x equal to minus 3 by 4. That number is minus 3 by 4. Next one. If 36 trousers is equal size can be stitched with 64 meters of cloth. So what is the cloth of the required each trouser? Here this is a 60 each required trouser of the so this is a 10th one 64 meters cloth. So like a 1 2 3 this like a equal length. 636 trousers we are stitching. Trousers means coat like a. So remaining how much cloth? Like a 36 2s are 72. So each one 2 meters also not. So how much each cloth? Like each trouser how much needed cloth? So here total length of the cloth 64 meters. 64 total length of the cloth 64 meters. How trousers stitched with 64 meters cloth 36. So remaining cloth is equal to 64 by 36. So here 16 4s are 6 4 9s are 16 by 9. So 1 7 by 9 meters. Remaining cloth. Next one, last one. When the repeating decimal 0, 36, 36 is written in the simplest form p by q, find the sum of p and q. Here 11th one, let x equal to 0.363636. Here periodicity how much given? 36 is repeated. Here periodicity of decimal is 2. Periodicity of decimal is 2. So both side we are multiply with 100. So 100 into x, 0.36363636 cross out to 100. So 100x 36.363636 0 0. Like a point after 4 numbers. So this is equation 2. This is equation 1. From equation 1 subtract equation 2. So here 100x 36.363636 x equal to 0.363636. So 99x equal to 36. X equal to 36 by 99. 12 threes are 33 threes are. So 11 by 33. Next 3 fours are 3 11s are 4 by 11. Here P by Q is 4 by 11. P plus Q is 4 plus 11, 50. Copy this. So we have first lesson finished. So next class we are going to second lesson. Here I hope every student is understand this exercise. Shall leave the class. Take care.